Feels good to have my own space to work on shit in. I need to get some kitty litter though, the exploder. Yeah, thank you, you piece of shit. Can't wait to get that motor out and scrap it. But anyways, oil change. And still got room, but my uncle needs to do all this shit. Fucking mint. Oh. And this is what I got so far until I get my toolbox over. Fucking mint. Oil change clippings. Well, the oil looked pretty black and it was pretty low, but this thing's got a valve cover gasket on it, so that's one of the things I need to do to it. But if I'm gonna do that, I might as well get an intake gasket for it. And I don't really want to fucking do that if I don't have to. And as long as I'm not revving higher RPMs, it don't burn oil, so. Get her done! Don't mind me, I'm just enjoying the wind and doing some oil drainage. Fucking mint! I've always had the worst luck with filter wrenches, but the one trick I've always known is just to grab the motherfucker by hand, no matter how tight it is, and loosen it up. Which this one I did not tighten because I'm not a total dipshit. It's somewhat seated in there because the block is hot, so. But I will proceed to get that out. See it turning. Just being a little whore. I'm riding in as what Freiberger would call it, the mobility blob. I'm gonna just call new cars mobility blobs from now on, just for Freiberger. Roadkill. Okay, finally got the right oil filter in there. Got oil in there. See how well this thing fucking starts and how it runs. God damn it. Stupid fucking clutch. Let me hear this fucker. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Hell yeah.